So tell me one of the slowest animal you can think of.
Slowest animal I can think of? Don't know. A millipede?
What's that?
A millipede. A millipede. It's something long with thousands of legs.
Then you're too much into deep. Okay.
Oh, am I? What?
Yeah.
What would you say?
Let's say turtle.
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
So when you come for the bay parking, there's a 4 parking we need to learn. One of them is a bay parking reverse, left and right, or bay parking forward, left and right.
Oh, bay parking forward, left and right.
Forward, left and right, and bay parking reverse, left and right.
Okay.
So in the reverse parking, that's a 2 parking, reverse left or reverse right.
Yeah.
On the forward parking, forward left or forward right. And that's the 4 different parking what we're going to try to learn. Okay. They're pretty much similar with each other, and they looks like quite a similar things to do, but you need to understand what are the similarities and what are the differences between them so you can shine at the parking. Okay. Whenever we're going for these 2 parkings to do, one of the things we need to really have to be careful about it is these things makes a good parking or bad parking, which are following. Number 1, it's your position, how we start the parking, where you stand. Yeah. Second is your speed, how fast and slow you go. Third, your turnings, your steering wheel. Fourth, exact point where you're doing the turning called reference point. Yeah. These 4 things together makes a good parking or a bad parking. Out of all these 4, if you leave any one of it, you're not going to end up where you want to go. For example, you're driving too fast, so you get the right reference point, you do the right turning, but because your speed was too fast, you're going past that thing. Or you do everything right, you're too slow, then it's not going to make it work. Okay. Or you're doing everything correctly, but it's at the wrong position, you're not going to end up where you want to go. Make sense? So these are all 4 makes a good parking or a bad parking. Okay. So well, once you understand, it will make it easier for you to establish all together, right? So whenever we're doing the reverse parking, first thing what we need to do, we need to make ourselves in the center of the car park, where we have equal amount on the both sides of the road. Okay. So when you do the reverse parking, we go right in the middle where the white line is, and keep your car straight, and we are looking like in a straight car. Okay. That's the first thing what we're going to do as a position. Happy? Then we put the car into the reverse gear. Okay. Once we put the car into the reverse gear, we now do the reverse all-round check before we start going backward anyway. Okay. So we now have to do 360 check starting from the right hand side. When you do the moving off, you start looking with the left and finish with the right hand side. But when you're going backward, you start with the right hand side and finish with the left hand side. So we do the round check on other way around. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. So once we do the reverse full observations, as we coming back, we now look at the next point as a reference point. Okay. What is a reference point, Eugene? You can have a look. There's a number of stickers on the dashboard on the right hand side as well as on the left hand side. Okay. So
I can see them. Yeah, I'm looking at them.
Good. So far what we looked at, we go in the middle of the car park, keep your car straight, then we'll put this into reverse, we'll do the reverse observations. Reverse observations start from the right to the left, not from the left to the right. So start looking at the right, right window mirror, front, center mirror, left, and keep looking at the back, and we go backward. Okay. When we go backward, that's the time comes our speed. Okay. The speed is one of the things we're looking for as slow as possible. Okay. So tell me one of the slowest animal you can think of.
Slowest animal I can think of? Don't know. A millipede?
What's that?
A millipede.
Like snail?
Yeah, well, I think so.
Or sloth, or a turtle, or...
Yeah, probably, slide. Millipede, it's something long with thousands of legs.
Oh, okay. And how slow is that?
It's very slow.
Very, very, very slow.
Yeah.
Okay. Then you're too much into deep. Okay.
Oh, am I? What would you say?
Let's say turtle.
A turtle, okay.
Okay, it's moving, and we can see they're moving, but they're slowly moving. Okay, and we've got what do you call rabbits and turtle story we had in the back in the schools and things as well, isn't it? So that's where kind of a picture we picturize we can things. Okay, but we know turtle moves. Okay, good. So what we do, it's turtle, like is one of the slowest animals. One of the slowest, not slowest, but one of the slow animals. Okay. older turtle will be slow, or the younger one will be slow? Like a teenage will be slow, or the older one will be slow?
Yeah.
Which one?
The older one gets slow.
Older one will be slow. Let's say with the older one with the broken leg or broken back, how slow that would be?
Yeah, that is slow.
Very slow.
Yeah.
And that kind of speed what we're looking for, but not as slow as like your snail speed. Well, we see what I mean?
Yeah.
But we're looking for certain kind of level of slowness. Okay? That slowly we're gonna start reversing back. Okay? As we're reversing back, we're now looking for our R3 as a reference point. Okay? So what is the new R3? Okay, we can see some stickers on the white. Can you see there's R3? And there's one more stickers in here which is called R3. Okay, what does the R3 mean? R mean reverse. Okay, and 3 mean the third line. So what we do, we start reversing back, until our white stickers on the left or to the right lined up with any one of the line we call that as a reference point. Okay, so there's a number of lines we can see, but whatever the line is our R3 is lined up with, that's our first line. Okay, from that point we are moving slowly and start turning full lock to the left, and we're expecting our car to end up after the third line. This is why there's a R3 there. Okay, so that's the first one, second one, third one, and the space between the third and the fourth, that's our aim for the car to get in. Are you with me? Okay, so quickly recap. We're in the middle of the car park. Make your car straight, wheel straight. Put this into the reverse, do the reverse observation. Start going back slowly as possible until R3 is lined up with any one of the line. Once there, full lock to the left. Car now start going to make any swings to the left until the car getting straight on that bay, and we can look from the mirrors is going in the lines.
So I turn the wheel as soon as I get to the bay I want to park in.
No, R3.
R3.
So we full lock to the left and the car starts swinging to going to the left on R3, right? At these positions, something like this, we can see the car will be some position like this at the beginning of. Yeah? And we can see the car's not getting in, right? Then second position, we experience something like this, car start now getting straight, and that's the point where we're just making a car straight. Okay, if you don't, the car will be in that angle, isn't it? Yeah, it will go past, but we want to end up where the white car is. So when the car getting straight or just about to getting straight, start making it steering off. So by the time you finish your taking you off, your car is just like in a perfect position to straight. Happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay. When that stage is there, we now keep him coming back until we think the car getting in the middle, where we can see our mirror, like how we stop at the white line on the giveaway line. When the mirror will be end up of these lines in here. Okay, so that mirror will be end of this line, and that's the time we're going to come to the stop.
Okay. It's a lot to absorb, but yeah, I get it.
You've got it.
So yeah, I have to be on the third before I get to my third parking, and then start turning the wheel as I'm coming to the bay. Right. Okay. The bay I'm coming
Of course,
to.
yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's easy. Right?
Yeah.
Easy peasy.
Yeah.
You don't believe me?
We'll see. Yeah, we'll see.
See the confident look.
Yeah.
Fair enough. All right.
Yeah.
Great.